So taking a quick look at Polygon, Matic, as you can see here, looking like we were literally almost there, weren't we, with that breakout of that bear market resistance. Please go on auto. There we go. You can see, basically, if we're taking a look at the charts here, we've got our bear market resistance. You can see this high here, making a lower high, and then this next lower high. It looked as though in this local area we were about to do it, didn't it? You can see we've got the breakout, the back test, along with the Fibonacci level here, the 050, sitting in and around that $1 area. We were just starting to get above $1 there. Bit of a back test. Obviously, that's a big area of profit taking for Polygon. And considering how well this thing has just been bouncing around in the Fibonacci levels, as I said, this thing respects Fibonacci levels like you would not believe, as you can see. Basically, every single fib is like a perfect support and resistance, pretty much. Just look at how this thing is just bouncing between the fib levels. It's honestly quite amazing to see, to be honest. But you can see, obviously, we were very close to breaking out, and then we had that Bitcoin ETF rejection rumor that dropped the price of the entire market. Polygon basically dropped around 30% here in the space of 5 minutes or so, I think it was, or 10 minutes. We came down, lo and behold, bounced at the 038 Fibonacci, and then now come back down again, back testing that level. On the hourly time frame, you can see just how well these levels are being respected. It's quite crazy when you look at it like this. A perfect back test, a bounce, 50% bounce, as you often see. A bit of a trickle to the downside. We roll down again, perfect bounce, and then back into this area of structure. Right now, we're just chilling, probably stuck under this 100 moving average on the hourly for a little while, sitting at around 80 cents. But really, Polygon just looking like it's still just consolidating, waiting for its time to shine. Really, it's just been kind of, had that big run up in the bull market, massive dump down, bit of a run up, bit of a dump down, bit of a run up, and we might get, maybe a retracement again before the eventual breakout. But I think we're close now, aren't we? And Polygon itself, I mean, in this local area, if we do start to get up above this 050 now, we'll be cleanly above that bear market resistance. And we can see ourselves moving to the upside even more, but there's really not that much to say about Polygon. It is just chopping sideways still. People are accumulating their bags for the bull market. I think realistically this could easily go above $10 in the next bull market. A 10x from here isn't that unlikely at all. If Ethereum's going to trillions of dollars of market cap, which is entirely possible, in my opinion, then we could easily see Polygon going above $10, heading above 100 billion market cap. I think there are going to be some really crazy valuations in this next bull market. And I think Polygon, really, it's going to be getting above its all-time high pretty easily and beyond, towards, and maybe even a bit further beyond that $10 level. So right now, people are just accumulating their bags for that next run. Overall, it's just looking fine, just doing what it needs to do. And we will see what happens next, going into that Bitcoin halving, which is very, very soon, very exciting.